Hi, welcome to Cute Baby Hair. Today we will be doing two star hairstyles. The first one is the side star. Always start with damp hair. And brush out the tangles. Part it on the side. And then make sure to part a straight line at the back of the head, back of the crown. Part out about a 1-inch section. And then with the rest of the crown, we're going to be making 4 more sections. So take another 1-inch section and divide that in half, right where you put that top ponytail. And this one becomes 2 sections. Don't be afraid to spray more water if you need to keep the frizzes down. Then part off a third 1-inch section, split it in half, and that becomes 2 bottom sections. These now become the 5 points of your star. If you want to add any colors, go ahead and add a color to what I'm calling the top section and the middle left side. This tutorial, in order to explain, I'm going to call this the top section, this the middle left, this the middle right, and then bottom left, bottom right. Starting with the middle left section, split it in half. Place one section down near the bottom right. And then you're going to add the other half of that to the middle right straight across. You can either braid it, rope braid it, or I'm just going to twist it around your finger a few times. Then add it to that section straight across with a colored band. You'll notice earlier I used some spray gel in that little section to keep all the frizzes down. Then take your top section, spray gel, split it in half, and these are both going to go to the bottom right and bottom left. Twist this and you can either alligator clip it or just leave it. It will stay pretty well with the spray gel. Then take your middle right section, use spray gel, and twist it around. Then add both that piece and the piece from the top section into the bottom left. Now we're going to add that other half from the top section to the bottom right, as well as the other half from the middle left to the bottom right. And there you have it, a little star to the side. Our second style on this video is a braided star into low pigtails. Once again, start with wet hair. Make sure all the tangles are out. And make a deep side part that covers most of the crown. Part straight across the back. And secure that bottom hair with either a ponytail or a clip, just to keep it out of the way. Make a matching deep side part on the other side. Finish your part across the back. And secure the rest of the hair with a ponytail or a clip. This top section of hair is what we will be using to make the star. Make a horizontal part all the way across, about 1.5 inches back, and secure that with a ponytail. Don't be afraid to spend a little time on your part lines. That's what makes styles like this look nice, is nice straight parts. And then, similar to the side star, we're going to part the rest of the hair into 4 equal sections. So, about 1.5 inches back, part a horizontal line, part straight down the middle, and secure with a ponytail. Then the same with the other side. Then with your last section, part down the middle and secure the left and right sides. This is what's going to become the 5 points of your star. If you wish to add colors, add it now to the top section and the middle right. Spray a little spray gel to keep the frizzes down. And split split the middle right section in half. You can either twist or rough braid. I'm going to show you to braid this. So with that half of the ponytail, braid it and add it to the section straight across the middle left. And take your top section with some spray gel, split it in half, and you're going to be braiding the other half of the middle right, secure with an alligator clip or leave it, and then one half of the top section, and add them both to the bottom left. Spray gel your middle left section, braid that, and add it to the bottom right, securing with a clip, or if it will stay, you can just leave it. And then braid your second half of your top section, also adding that to the bottom right. When your star is done, the next step is to add the little pigtails. Continue that center part all the way down to the back of the head. I like to use spray gel here as well to keep those bottom baby hairs tucked in. And comb it smooth, adding the star and the rest of the hair into a little pigtail. Repeat on the other side. And there you have a braided star, low pigtails. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Good luck with your star hairstyles.